Welcome to Fast Math Solutions on Maths with EJD. Today I have a request from a friend to solve this, given that 5 cos x plus 8.5 degrees minus 1 is equal to 0 for 0 degrees less than or equal to for 0 degrees less than or equal to x less than or equal to 90 degrees. So given that 5 cos x plus 8.5 degrees minus 1 equals 0 on this in this interval 0 to 90 degrees, right? So the question is to calculate correct to the nearest degree the value of x, So we are looking for x here. Okay, so let's go. We have 5 cos x plus 8.5 degrees minus 1 equals 0. And x is our target. So it means that everything disturbing x we have to get rid of, So the first thing I see here is this minus 1. It has to go. So we add 1 to both sides, if you like. Okay, let me just write that. I will not do it specifically. I'll just say it and I'll do it. Add 1 to both sides. Add 1 to both sides. Okay, well, let me just do it. So I have 5 cos x plus 8.5 degrees minus 1 plus 1 equals 0 plus 1. So this way, minus 1 and plus 1 will go. So we have 5 cos x plus 8.5 degrees equals 1. So the next thing would be this 5 disturbing, this 5 has to go again. So, this is our target. It's like x is in captivity and we want to get it out of that place. So we have to remove every barrier. So the first barrier was minus 1. So the next one will be 5. So the way to remove 5 multiplying this is to divide 3 by 5. So we can say divide both sides by 5. That means we have 5 cos x plus 8.5 degrees equals, this divided by 5, all over 1 over 5. So this is 5 cancel 5. So we have cos x plus 8.5 degrees equals 1 over 5 is 0.2, if you like. So now I have So we are gradually getting close to x. So the next thing we have to remove to get closer to x is cos, right? And the way to get rid of cos is to take the arc cos of both sides. Take the arc cos, the inverse cos of both sides. Take the arc cos. Let me write that properly. Take the arc cos of both sides. The inverse of cos cancels cos. So of both sides. So that means we have arc cos of cos x plus 8.5 degrees equals arc cos of 0.2. 1.5 is 0.2. So you see cos cancels cos like this. So we have x plus 8.5 degrees. X is getting freer and freer until we got here. So the question is, what is arc cos of 0.2? So in degrees, I think that is 78.46 degrees. That is arc cos of 0.2 in degrees. You can also get it in radians. In radians, it will be 1.3 something. So, but let's work in degrees since we're given degree. So the next thing is to say now that x, so you see the only thing bothering x now is 8.5. So we can now subtract 8.5 degrees from both sides, So we have x equals 78.46 degrees minus 8.5 degrees. Well, since we need it to the nearest degree, right? We could as well just say x is 78.5 degrees minus 8.5 degrees. and then we get, this is 4.6 now, 78.46 to the nearest degree, that's 78.5 degrees. So this way we can easily subtract. So we just simply have 70 degrees, and that is our answer. Easy peasy. So if you have not subscribed to this channel, be sure to do that so you can be part of the community, and then you can click the notification bell so you can always get alerted when a new video is released. You can comment like this, like you have I got this question from a comment from one of our viewers, a friend of mine. So if you have a question like this, you can let me know in the comments. Then you can also share, there are people, a lot of people will find all these things we do very helpful. So thank you very much for coming this way. See you in the next video.